Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday and we have mostly a 2-layer cake. Some of you may have a 3-layer cake. Irregardless, the first layer is always our routines, which could be up to 5. Okay, so let's start with routine number 1, which is getting up in the morning and doing your morning routine, and then putting your children through their routine. You could elect to sleep a little later. You may want to keep your time, your internal clock on schedule and get up at the regular time. It's up to you, but do know that tonight is when we put our clocks forward before we go to sleep, because tomorrow we're going to be waking up an hour later. So even if you sleep an hour late today, you're kind of going to be prepping for tomorrow because it's an hour later tomorrow. We're falling back. So it's going to be getting up later and going to bed in a little bit darker time. Okay? All right. So morning routines. After the morning routine comes the laundry. If you are a fly baby who stays at home, you're an at-home fly baby and you did your laundry all week, no laundry for you. Or if you did your weekly home blessing hour all at one time, no laundry for you. Unless you maybe didn't do your kids and maybe you're going to take care of that this weekend, or they are and you're going to oversee that. But if you have elected to, for whatever reason, split the weekly home blessing hour up into days, then today is the day I recommend that you strip your beds and wash your sheets. So laundry. While the laundry is going, you're going to go through an inch of paper. If you still have paper clutter, just an inch. It's not a big old thing like that. It's just a little inch. Pull the paper and go through it very quickly, determining if something requires action or filing or needs to be thrown away or shred. And check your mail. Check your mail. Maybe your mail doesn't come till tonight. That's okay. Check yesterday's mail. Make sure you're not bringing more paper clutter into your house, and put in your inbox anything requiring action or filing, and everything else is garbage. And most of it, frankly, is garbage, at least where I live. Okay, the third thing in our 5 routines is our the fourth thing, sorry, we already did paper. The fourth thing is our after dinner routine. We're all going to be doing that. And then we have our before bed routine. So that's for yourself and your children. Don't forget to check your planner. I've changed the cover on mine now. So now we've got little pumpkins for the rest of the fall until I get to Thanksgiving. Then I've got another one. That's the only thing I do to this tool is I put a different cover on it. I have lots of different covers. Okay. I'm looking at mine right now to see what else I wanted to talk about. Oh, the next thing is we are in zone 1. So if you didn't work in your zone during the week, part of it was zone 5. It switched on Thursday to zone 1. So you might have a thing or two that you needed to do in zone 5 if you didn't work in your zone, and a thing or two to do in zone 1. But that would be today. Also, you might want to check and see if there's anything for the basic weekly plan that you didn't get done this week. Did you forget to pay your bills, balance your checkbook, plan your week? Did you forget to make a grocery list, or haven't had time to? And maybe today you're going to have to collapse some time frames and make a grocery list and go to the grocery store. Check your budget. Stay $1 under. And you know, there are other things, errands you may need to run, etc. Just try to compress it all into the morning half of the day. So I hope that you were planful with this day. Put it in your planner what you had to do, and you can get it all done in the morning so that at least in the afternoon you can have family fun day. Now, if this isn't applying to you and you've done all your work during the week, whether you're a payroll fly baby or not, you can get it all done during the week depending on your schedule and your attitude. Then today you're going to wake up and just do your little routines and enjoy your day with your family fun day. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to set your clocks back an hour tonight, and always remember that you are beautiful.